It has been very busy 2 months. I had to get much more work done than I thought, and it took me much longer than I thought. What I have done since the last video.
I finally placed the bench back in and connected the whole electrical system. I'm not professional, so this is definitely not a tutorial. Just me doing my best and learning along the way. I will talk more about the components and the setup in another video. But all the wires, switches and lights are now connected. And everything works.
The next step was the kitchen.
That meant connecting the gas and the water system. The propane bottle sits under the kitchen, so connecting the gas stove is pretty simple. But the gas also needs to run all the way to the back doors, where the water heater is mounted. That will also serve as our outdoor shower. Of course, the shower needs water too. The water will be stored in a 70-liter tank under the bed. From there it goes through a pump, a filter and a small expansion tank. Then it runs through Alpex pipes across the whole van.
I can't believe I've done all that by myself and it's all working just fine. The last and the most relaxing and enjoyable step was finishing the drawers and the sliding doors. And of course, so many little things I can't even remember now, but it all came together and I'm finally finished. Done. Finito. Koniec.
I will make a proper van tour in a future video. Right now we are busy packing and getting ready for our first trip. But if you are curious already, you can explore the van on the Live on Roads website. There is a full virtual tour where you can look around the whole build.
So the van is finally ready. Now it's time to hit the road. If you'd like to see where this journey takes us, you are welcome to join us here on Live on Roads.